Okay, so you're trying to determine which line has an undefined slope or no slope, and you're given ordered pairs. So if we look here, I have two ordered pairs highlighted. I have A, which is currently at 3, 5, and I have B, which is currently at -1, -1, and the slope is highlighted here. So if I drag the ordered pairs around, the slope is going to change. One thing you need to know is that no slope is the same as an undefined slope. It's not the same as slope of 0. So if I drag it around looking for an undefined slope, I see that here I've come across a slope of 0. This happens in all horizontal lines, and that is because the y value is always going to be the same. If I move this entire line, you'll see that the y value is staying exactly the same, even though they're changing. So when you calculate the slope, the numerator is always going to be 0, and anything divided by 0 is 0. So the slope of all horizontal lines is 0. So if we continue looking for an undefined slope, if we flip over to a vertical line, now our slope is undefined. And if we look at the ordered pairs, now the x value is always the same. And if I move the line, you'll notice that the x values, even though they're changing, they stay identical to each other. And that is because if you calculate the slope, the denominator is the change in the x values. So if the denominator is 0, you cannot divide by it, and therefore you get an undefined value. So what you need to do is you need to look at the ordered pairs. If you're trying to find the one that has an undefined slope, you need to find the ordered pairs that has the same x value, and that line will have an undefined slope. Okay, head back to the examples and see if you can figure it out. Good luck!